Hello mga ko-vloggers! Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Eugene and today's video or episode will do an unboxing video ng product na binili ko from Shopee last September 9 and that would be tada! Yung natin. 26 cm guys, yung laki niya. So, I able to get a very good discount. Nagkaroon din ako ng free shipping fee for as low as 343 pesos. So, all included na po yun. For last 2 days, 2 days lang, dumating na siya. And yes, this is the name of the store if you would like to visit. Ayan. So, hindi pa, disclaimer lang po, wala na po akong further discount na nakuha maliban dun sa Shopee points ko para magkaroon ako ng pinaka-discounted product nila. Okay. And then, just wanna share guys, sad to hear, may kakilala po ako or kaibigan, nagkaroon siya ng COVID. Apparently, nakuha niya po ito sa work. I'm not going to mention the name of the company. So, I'm hoping and praying na ma-overcome niya to. Balitaan kung gumagaling naman daw siya. However, again guys, I would like to say, please take care of yourself. Hindi porket bumababa na po ang status numbers na nakikita natin, ibig sabihin na hindi okay na. Hindi pa rin safe. So, eventually, please stay at home hanggat maaari. Kung lalabas man, magka-smooth ka pa din ng face shield, face mask, please bring your own alcohol or di kaya magugas ng kamay na may sabon. Just make sure. And then again, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers, sa family and friends ko. And kung hindi ka pa subscribe, please subscribe na. And click the notification bell for my other new videos or upcoming videos. Apologize lang guys, hindi pa ako ganun ka-accurate mag-post ng video. Meron pa kasi ako mga problema kailangan ayusin. However, thank you so much for your support.